How to make a social media marketing strategy in easy steps. Social media marketing is an essential tool for any business. It allows you to reach a global audience with a variety of marketing strategies. This book provides step-by-step instructions on how to create a successful social media marketing strategy. Why you need a social media strategy. The top 3 challenges that social media marketers face include reaching their audience, measuring ROI, and reaching business goals. 1. Helps you set goals and guardrails. 2. Allows you to track goal performance. 3. Helps you tweak your benchmarks over time. Follow these 3 tips to make a social media marketing strategy. 1. Define your target audience. 2. Start blogging. 3. Focus on a few key social channels. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.